Hola chicos y chicas. So, yesterday we learned about los saludos, which means greetings. Los saludos means greetings. Now, today we're going to learn about los saludos formales. Hola. So, let's recap about what we have learned about los saludos in Spanish. Los saludos are greetings. So let's start with the most common greetings, which are the following: Buenos días, which means good morning. Okay. Buenas tardes. Okay. Good afternoon. Now, buenas noches, good evening, or good night. Okay, so these are the greetings based upon the time of the day in Spanish. Okay, so now let's move on to los saludos. Greetings, the most common greetings in Spanish. We have hola, which means hello, or you can say hi. Remember that the H in Spanish is silence, so you don't pronounce it, okay? So all you're saying is hola, O-L-A. Now, we also have another greeting, which after we say hola, we ask a question. For instance, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Which means, how are you? And this is the informal, ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Because it has an S at the end. And most of the time you use it for people who are the same age as you, or for a peer, an acquaintance, someone that you know, or is a friend. Okay? Now, let's look at how are you in the formal version. ¿Cómo está? Okay? How are you is the same. ¿Cómo está? But the only difference is that ¿Cómo está does not have an S at the end, because it's going to take another personal pronoun, which we are going to learn later on. But this most of the time is used for authority figure and is a formal greeting. It's used for authority figure, people who are older than you, and people that you want to treat with respect. And also for strangers when you don't know their name. Now, we also have ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Means how is it going? What's up? That's what that means. And it's very informal. In Mexico, you might hear they say ¿qué onda? How is it going? Also, ¿qué onda? Okay. Okay. So now, in responses to the question, how are you? Or what's up? As you might say in Spanish, ¿cómo estás? O ¿cómo está? O ¿qué tal? We are going to answer saying estoy bien, which means I am good. Muy bien, very well. And bastante bien, pretty good. Okay? So let's say that someone asks you ¿cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? O ¿qué tal? And you answer them, and then you want to extend the conversation. So the thing that you gotta say, the question that you have to say is ¿y tú? Which means and you, which is the informal. In Spanish, you use it for people who are, younger, the same age, and that are your friends or peers or acquaintances. Now, if you want to ask that to a person that is a stranger or someone that you treat with respect, like your teacher or any authority figure, you are going to ask usted. That means the same as and you in the formal version. Y tú is the informal. So basically, these are some of the things that you had to say. Let's say that you want to say that you are doing I'm so. You can say estoy más o menos. If you want to say bad, you're going to say mal. Okay, this is the recap for the lesson.